YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. They'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Happy New Year to everybody. And make sure you guys are alright tonight. And this is coming from Adicop ergonomic design. This is for the Oculus Quest 2. Definitely excited to try this out. And that's kind of where they put the sticker over there, but here we go. Let's take it aside. We're going to set this thing up. There we go. Alrighty. Got that. Definitely gonna need a manual. This is my first time doing this thing. But we'll see how this works. It's a good idea. And get your Oculus ready. Got my there. Here we go. Alright. Oh wow, it's like a bike helmet. How do we do this? That way, that way, that way, that way, that way. I'm not sure if I got that right. Alright, definitely take a look at this thing right here. It shows you how to do it, so bear with me 1 second. Pause time. Alright, it says remove the straps. That was really easy to take off. There we go. I think I don't need this one. Nope. Let's just get into this thing. Come on. Oh boy. Hold on. Okay, we got it. That was like, man, it looks really weird without that. Alright, now, put you guys down. There we go. At least it matches everything. Looks good. We got that. Slide. Alright, I'm going to need this thing back on. Okay, this thing is back on. And then okay. Just slide it in. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's little grooves there. Just go through it. Whoa. That looks cool. Now how do I put this? You could adjust the strap right here at the back. Oh. See it? Let me try this on. Oh, wow. Oops. Make sure you lock it in place. There we go. How is it fully locked in? This feels a lot better. Whoa. Okay. Alright, let me see if I can do this. Brutus. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see. For me, it's kind of hard. Everything looks blurry. Now I got that connection thing out. This is cool. This feels really good, guys. Compared to... Oh, man. Sorry about that. But yeah, this... If you have an Oculus Rift or Oculus Quest, this is the one to get. This is super comfy. And it feels good. You can adjust. So if you got a bigger head like I do, just gotta make it a little longer. This thing is amazing. Super comfy, guys. The best headrest or headset extender. But it's really cool. It matches everything perfect. And like I said, it feels so good now. Now I can watch movies, play games on this. You can adjust. But it's super soft up here. And then it's super soft in here. And of course, we got the basic headset. But guys, if you guys need something new for your Oculus, this is the way to go. Adicop. Really cool stuff they got. Definitely. I think I showed everything. Definitely excited now. So thank you guys for over at Adicop for sending me this unit to review. Much appreciated. And YouTubers, definitely check them out. Like I said, brand new they got. Works amazing with the Oculus VR. And you're all set for the new year. Be safe, guys. Happy New Year. And I'll see you guys next year.